To remove a crank from your indoor cycling bike, you will first need a crank remover tool and a 16mm wrench. Make sure your crank remover tool is first unwound. The steps in this video can be applied to any of our bikes within our range. Start by popping off the plastic cap on the crank. Once the cap is off, you will see a small black nut to remove. Insert the silver end of your crank remover over the top. You will need to use quite a lot of force to unscrew the nut. On either the left or right crank, turn the nut anti-clockwise. Now the nut has been removed, screw in the black end of the crank remover tool and tighten up the silver end. As the silver end is wound up, it will push the crank off the bike. Turn the silver end clockwise. If you are replacing a crank afterwards, simply add your new crank onto the bike, add the nut, and using the silver end of your tool, tighten as much as possible.